Welcome guys to a new video today with King Capital. And today we are gonna interview, what's your name?
My name's Henry.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So you are a trader, right?
I'm a trader, yeah.
Okay, fine. So if you don't mind, could you give us a quick introduction on who you are and what you do?
Yeah, so my name's Henry. I'm a university student and also a part-time trader on top of that. So yeah, I've been trading for 3 years now. And within the last sort of years when I've had my real success with it.
Yeah. And so how do you start? How do you, become introduced into this industry?
To be honest, it was just through YouTube. It just took my eye on a YouTube video, understanding the fundamentals of trading view, and then I just stumbled down the path from there.
What would you say is one of the main things that make you succeed in trading nowadays?
It's definitely majority mental. A lot of it is psychological. As soon as I got that right, that's when I started seeing the actual results of my trading, yeah.
So if you could give right now advice to yourself from when you started, what would you tell him? What's something that he must know in order to success?
I think risk management.
Risk management?
Definitely.
Why? What happened before?
Well, I was actually the opposite to a lot of traders. I was very risk adverse. I wouldn't risk as much as I had to risk to make the right amount of money.
Okay. Yeah.
So my risk management was
you were too conservative.
Yes.
Maybe. Okay.
Yes. So yeah, I was a bit all over the place with that, but when I sorted that out, that's when I saw it.
So now you are better. Do you think you are still being too conservative, or you are okay now?
No. I'm definitely better now.
Yeah.
I won't really have any emotion now of when I take a trade. It's just, this is my risk. That's what I had to take.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And this is interesting because a lot of interviews that we do, when it's events, we interview people who trade with brokers, real money, or you actually trade prop firms, right?
Yes.
So what is your approach when trading prop firms? Like at this point where you are with trading, do you feel like you're still very conservative?
No, definitely not. So when I'm trading a prop firm, I'll be a lot more risk heavy at the start. So in the challenge phases, I'll risk 2.5%. So I can pass that within a trade or two, and then as soon as I'm live, then I'll take down my risk a lot more. So then I'm risking anywhere from 0.25% to 0.5%.
Okay, yeah,
that's
okay. I like that. I think that's pretty much how I do it too. And now when you are on our live funded account, what would you say is your next goal now? What do you need to improve to get to the next level?
To get to the next level is just always scaling.
Yeah.
Just keep passing accounts, keep growing your capital, and then from that point you can sort of have different accounts for different sort of risk that you want to take. So if you want to have a few fund accounts, you can afford to do that if you scale correctly. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now, and obviously now with trading is working. I know you work as a community manager for another prop firm. And how is life now? What do you like to do now? Do you travel? Well, you're still in uni, right?
Yeah.
Okay, actually, so how is that? How is it to manage, university, trading, work? I don't know if you play sports. Football.
Yeah, it's a lot. It's definitely a lot, but it is all manageable. I'll trade London session when I've got uni. So I'm up at 7, trade London, and then go to uni for 2-3 hours. Then I've always got my phone on me so I can do the community side of what I do. And then usually sports in the evening.
Okay, nice.
I play a lot of five-a-side football at uni.
Nice. And since you work as a community manager, obviously you are around traders all the time, not necessarily funded professional traders, but all kind of traders. Is there any common mistake or common thing that you see on a lot of traders and that's why they keep failing?
Yeah. So a lot of traders will do this thing, revenge trading. Yeah. They will. No traders that I see can really sit on their hands and take that loss. Yeah. And that's what you got to do. If you take a loss, you got to turn that monitor off and just come back another day because the markets aren't going anywhere.
Yeah. That's great. That's actually one of the advice that many traders say, knowing when to stop. Yeah. And doesn't mean it doesn't have to be when you lose. Also when you make profits, when to stop and keep your profits. So that's nice. Now, my last question for you is obviously, so what do you see now? What are the expectations for the future? What do you want to do now?
My expectations for the future. Yeah, I want to get more involved within the prop space.
Okay.
To be honest, so take that from my trading side to get more involved in the community, and seeing where that can really take me after university, obviously.
Yeah, of course.
So,
Yeah. Any other businesses that you want to explore, or for now just focusing on prop trading?
for now, just focusing on prop trading, but
Okay.
yeah, in the future, I would like to open, maybe a prop firm of my
Yeah,
own.
of course. Okay, that sounds good. And if you want to give any advice to any of our watchers that are seeing you right now, what will you tell them?
I'll tell them to stick with it. It's definitely doable. I was doing it for 3 years, and I made it work in the last year, really. So, yeah, just keep with it, and yeah, you'll be successful with it.
Perfect. Appreciate it.
Brilliant.
Thank you so
Thank
much for the interview.
Cheers.
And I hope you guys enjoyed this interview as much as I enjoyed making it. And see you guys in the next video.